Hello everyone. So today we will see how to install Windows Server 2016 on VMware. Okay. So if you want to install this particular software in your VMware, first thing you need to download the Windows. You have to download Windows Server 2016 ISO file. This is the first requirement. The second thing, you need the VMware workstation in your laptop. VMware workstation, right? So I have VMware Workstation already on my system, and I have basically downloaded I have also downloaded the ISA file of Windows Server 2016, right? So now if you want to download, what you have to do, you can click on create a new virtual machine. You can go with the recommended setting. You can choose I will install the ISA later. Next, what I want to install here Windows Server, right? So I will select a Windows, then you will drop down here and select here Windows Server 2016. Next, give the name here. So I want to configure this Windows Server as an Active Directory, so or domain controller. So I will give this name. I will put this particular machine into this folder. Next, I will give here 60 GB RAM, 60 GB of hard disk. It's not RAM, guys. Now I have to select this option, store virtual disk as a single file. Next, finish. Edit these settings. I will change the network adapter in my case because I want to put this particular machine in my VMnet1. So I will just select put here VMnet1. So I will give around 4 GB of RAM here. One processor is fine, 16 GB RAM, and I will go here and I will select a use ISO file, and I will browse the ISO file into my desktop. I have this Windows Server 2016 evaluation version, and that particular version is available for 180 days, guys. Now click on OK. Just power on this machine. Now we will wait here. Installation process has been started, or we have triggered it. So this process will take some time, guys. Around you have to be stay for 30 minutes at least. You will get this particular prompt where it is asking to what is the language you want to use. So I am compatible with United States English. Then this is the time and currency, right? So what time you want? If you want to change the time, you can basically change it because I'm in Asia region. So let me just select here India. I don't have any India option. Or that thing I can also change later. So let me go with the English here first. Generally you don't need to change this particular setting. You can go with the default actually. You can select English India if you want it. But I will go with US English actually. So I have to go down. Yep, select this one. Keyboard is US type. Next. Click on install now. Just wait here for some time. Okay, now after that you will get this particular prompt. So you have to select here Windows Server 2016 evaluation desktop experience. Click on next. Accept the agreement or license. Next. Click on install. So the computer started using the Windows installation media. Remove the installation media and restart your system. So install now. Select this option. Next. Okay, so we have to select the below option that time. Now what? It is asking to provide the hard disk, right? So what you can do? You can go with this particular setting only. Next. And it will start the process now. So guys, this process will take some time. So what I will do? I will just pause the recording. Okay, so I have to wait for this process to complete 100%. So I will pause the recording here. Now you will see after completing that process, it has just started loading the file. It has just start rebooting. Okay, and you will see this prompt. So installation is very straightforward, guys. So I have taken the screenshot actually if you want to see. So this is the screenshot. When your process will start, it was on 0%, right? Then I have taken one more screenshot at after that restart will start and you will see this window, this particular prompt, right? It is just in a restarting process. So this here we have to wait for some time. Just wait here. Now it is providing that you have to enter the password. So let me just enter some big password like Cisco add 12345, my favorite password. Finish. And here you have to type Control Alt Delete. So instead of typing this Control Alt Delete, just type here Control Alt Insert button. It will give you the login screen. Just log in with your credential 12345. Just wait here. Cisco at 12345. Just wait here, and we have just completed the installation of Windows 10. Sorry, Windows Server 2016 in VMware Workstation. It's very easy, or we can say it's very quick, right? Now see, it is starting the server process. So this is how basically we will do the installation of Windows Server 2016 on VMware. Okay. In another lecture, I will cover how we can configure this particular Windows Server as an Active Directory. Okay.